Hi guys, welcome back to RRC. Hope you had a nice Christmas. In this video I'm just having a look at the Bruder Mercedes Acros Tipper stroke skip truck with a few unique features. So let's get on with it. Just get out of the box, guys. It's 1/16 scale. So quite a large truck, similar size to the cement mixer. So let's get rid of the box. We'll see what we've got. Okay guys, as you can see the truck is out of the box, and we've got as usual Bruder magazine that you get, or booklet, with all the products that they do, and they do a lot. So that's that. They give you stickers which go on the mirrors and lights, I think, stick more spotlights and that. So what have we got? Well, the unique thing about this one, guys, I think, is that for what you get the little mini excavator. Just move the truck out of the way for a minute. So you get this little mini excavator, which comes with it, which is, you've got a little bucket. It's not RC or anything. But it does have some detailed things on it. So it comes with that. Rubber tracks on that one, see that? And a shovel to the front. So that's that. Now the truck itself, you've got a few unique features on this that I think are really good. So that lifts up like so and releases the skip, and that goes back. So let's just have a look at the skip for a minute. So it's all plastic. There are two hinge doors on the back. It has a little catch, and they open, and roller wheels for as it slides off the back of the truck. So pretty neat. So that's the container on it. I'll put that out the way. Let's just have a look at the back of the truck. So as I've shown you, it's got this unique lifting and lowering system, simulated hydraulics here on the back, and the hook for grabbing the container. They roll down on this, so that's pretty cool. On the inside, again, you can see that guy. Can just spin this camera around a little bit more. Take it down, take it inside. So the mirrors hinge out, the doors open, and they've got like a little, they've got the cab in there, if you can see it. And on this side, I don't know why one door was sealed shut and the other one isn't, but you can just see in there, guys, the cab. That's pretty neat in there. That door will open too. And then as for the tyres, they're rubber. See them. Pretty detailed. A simulated engine in there, where the cab tilts forward. No, I don't think it does. But as you see, guys, I think it's really detailed truck. maybe sometime in the future I'll attempt to convert this, but for now it'll just be a prop in the videos. But would be really cool if it was converted. But converting these things is not cheap, so have to just do it bit by bit. So this is going to be another project in the future, guys, on the channel, but you may see it appear in some videos. Very smooth as you push it along there, but yeah, I would like to convert this. But let's just have a look at see if we can see how we can get this bucket to go on there. See, make sure you can see it. So you come forward, back onto that, pick that up, and I guess the truck would back up at the same time and pull that on. And I think that's, and that slides forward. But also, you know, you've got that little digger with it, so pretty detailed, and comes with quite a bit of stuff with it, and they're not that expensive to buy. Just put that back in there. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you a quick video of something else that's coming to the channel in the near future. I've got quite a bit on now, so I'll be getting on with stuff, but there are things I'm getting on with. So I just wanted to show you this cool tipper truck, and that will pair up with the cement mixer and add to the ever-growing fleet of construction vehicles. So I hope you like the videos, guys. Give us a thumbs up, and once again, the Bruder Mercedes Acros skip wagon tipper truck, whatever you'd like to call that. But yeah, I just thought it's very detailed, do like it, and really quality stuff. So okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.